let's discuss some of the most important topics from the NTA NET psychology section. So under the chapterization as per we have done in the book, the topics here, pseudo-psychology becomes very important in light of the recent changes with 2019 syllabus. Neo-behaviorism and Vienna Circle are again important topics. Coming on to chapter 2, the methods of psychology, schedules, observation and rating scales are important. Projective techniques are also commonly asked. Then psychometric methods, again a very important topic. Under research aptitude, now this is a compulsory section by and large for your comprehension based question. You would have one comprehension from the section on the statistics and research variables. So understanding hypothesis, types of hypothesis, type 1, type 2 error becomes important aspect, and then the types of experimental research, which includes quasi-experimental as well. So those are important. Then statistics, as I said, the parametric, non-parametric test, examples of parametric and examples of non-parametric, where do a specific parametric test apply and where do a specific non-parametric test apply, becomes an important question. Then hereditary and environment, the nature-nurture controversy, also the concepts, the basic concepts on learning and maturation. So here you have the Kohlberg's theory, the Piaget's theory, the growth models, all of those become important. The biopsychology aspect, neurotransmission, dopamine becomes very important, and then the basics of nervous system, the CNS and the PNS, sensation, attitude and perception, again an important topic. Now here theories of perception are really important. Every time you have at least one question from this section. Then learning, the major theories on learning, the Thorndike's classical operant conditioning, reinforcement punishment, the examples of positive and negative. Then observation learning, Tolman's theory, very important topic. And then recently we have seen questions related to latent learning and program learning, which are also important. Memory and forgetting, so amnesia, interrogate and retrograde amnesia, very important. And then measurement of memory. Problem solving, the stages and the factors of problem solving. Under emotions, the theories and the Pulchik wheel for the major emotions are important. And motivation, the cycle of motivation, the theories of motivation, the major terms associated with motivation, and the list of the theories, of which Herzberg is one of the most important theory. We'll continue with more important topics in psychology that you must cover before your NET examination. Thanks for joining.